Those are the top headlines that we are tracking. Of course, it's largely focused on markets today, not very a lot of individual names which are buzzing around on the back of fundamentals. So it's a good time to get a technical check on the markets. We have Hemen Kapadia of KRChoksey Securities joining us now. Hemen, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, that's exactly the question. What's happening in our markets? Finally, we are seeing a bout of selling pressure coming in line with the global indices. Is it expected to continue?
A very good afternoon to you, Sona. Thank you for having me. Frankly speaking, after a 2,900 point move, the way the Nifty shrugged off everything and kept on going, even the Bank Nifty, in fact, made a new high, at least in the 52-week high. So I think it was a bit overdone. After such a massive move, 1 month or a 4 to 5, 6 week time-wise consolidation, retracement, was the need of the hour, and that didn't happen. So now, frankly speaking, and yes, like you mentioned, we are playing catch up with the global market. So the market was looking for a reason. I think we needed a correction to make it healthy. If you're going to post a fresh all-time high, much needed. We are going to 17.5. Are we going to 17.2? Possibly, but I think this is a much welcome, overdue, much needed correction, frankly speaking. So it is great it's come, and the only thing a bit surprising was IT, which was looking set for a rebound, has slipped again. But otherwise, everything is as it should be. And I think on a further decline, it's a good opportunity to selectively look at stocks. So.
Okay. All right. Well, you said it's a much needed correction, Hemen, and that one should selectively look at stocks. So what exactly would you be recommending in this market at this point? Which are the stocks that you would be strategizing to look at, maybe to take over to the next week?
Yes, Ekta. I think for a few trading sessions, obviously, the atmosphere is appreciated. The VIX has gone to almost 20. And about 20, it was expected, but about 20, I think that's going to cause further jitters. So firstly, two sell calls and one buy call, Ekta. A sell call on Bharat Forge, negative divergence, crossover sell, and near-term and daily indicators indicating weakness. So a sell on Bharat Forge at around 750, stop loss 760, target 730. Secondly, a sell call on Sun TV. Nice distribution has happened. We've had a couple of rounds of negative divergences. The daily MACD RSI stochastic has signaled a crossover sell, and we're looking at a further downside. So a sell on Sun TV at 510, stop loss 525, target of 480. So a sell on Sun TV, sell on Bharat Forge. Lastly, a contra buy call on Max Financial Services. Contra because everything is wobbly, could remain wobbly for maybe 5-7 trading sessions more. So a buy call on Max Financial Services at around a conventional buy call 5 rupees lower at around 810, stop loss 790, target 850. Volume spike has sustained above the 55-day exponential moving average. All the daily indicators have signaled a crossover buy. Plus, there's been volume spike, so seems set for a bounce recovery, however, whatever you term it.
Okay. All right, Hemen. Thank you so much for taking us through your technical picks. Have a great weekend ahead.